In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a QR code for Acuity scheduling. Now, for many businesses, scheduling appointments can be a real hassle. Luckily, with platforms like Acuity Scheduling, this process becomes a breeze. But what if you want to make it even easier for your clients to book appointments with you? Well, you can do this by creating a QR code for your Acuity scheduling link. And today I am going to walk you through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to Acuity Scheduling. Acuity Scheduling is a fantastic tool that offers a lot of features to help manage your booking process smoothly. Once you're on their site, you're going to see a lot of options, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. The next thing you're going to do is click on the login button. It should be easy to spot, usually located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking on login, you're going to enter your email address. This is the email address you used when you signed up for Acuity Scheduling. Make sure you enter the correct one to avoid any login issues. After typing your email address, click on Next. This will take you to another page where you'll be given several options for completing your login. One of the easiest and most secure ways is to continue with your Google account. So you'll select the option Continue with Google. Upon selecting Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. This should be the same Google account connected to your Acuity scheduling. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your Acuity scheduling profile. Now here comes a handy tip that could save you a lot of time and effort. To get a QR code for your Acuity scheduling link, you can make use of a brilliant integration between Acuity scheduling and a QR code generator through a tool like Zapier. Zapier is like a bridge that connects two different platforms without the need for any coding. It's a massive time saver and can automate a lot of your workflow. So, how do you do this? First, locate the integration section on your Acuity scheduling dashboard. This section is designed to help you connect Acuity with many useful tools and services, including Zapier. You'll typically find it in the Settings or Preferences menu. Clicking on Integrations will open up a list of possible integrations available for Acuity scheduling. Among the list of integrations, you'll need to locate and click on the link that takes you to Zapier. This will open up a new browser tab or window, taking you directly to the Zapier website. Now, if you're not already familiar with Zapier, it's a powerful yet simple to use tool that connects different apps and services to automate workflows. Once you're on the Zapier platform, the next step is to set up the integration between Acuity scheduling and a QR code generator. Click on Setup to begin this process. This will initiate a walkthrough guided by Zapier to help connect both services efficiently. During this setup, you'll define what triggers the creation of the QR code. In our case, it could be a new appointment booking or a new client registration through Acuity scheduling. Following the steps provided by Zapier, you'll complete the integration process. What happens next is quite magical. Whenever the trigger event occurs in Acuity scheduling, Zapier automatically generates a QR code through the connected QR code generator service. This QR code can then be shared on your website, social media profiles, emails, or even printed materials, making it extremely convenient for your clients to book appointments with just a simple scan from their mobile devices. And there you have it. A very straightforward way to create a QR code for your Acuity scheduling link using the synergy between Acuity scheduling and a QR code generator through Zapier. Integrating these tools not only streamlines your appointment booking process, but also enhances the overall experience for your clients. Plus, it's a great way to leverage modern technology to keep your business ahead of the curve. Remember, taking the time to set up these integrations can significantly impact your operational efficiency and customer satisfaction in positive ways. So, why not give it a try? That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or share your experience if you've tried this yourself. Happy scheduling and see you in the next video.